Okay, what I got in front of me here is a clear hat rack. The hats are going to kind of go up like this. A brand sent me this to check out. They know I got a lot of hats. So they sent it out to me. I'm going to try it out. You see I got a bunch of hats right here beside me. We're going to put this thing together. I'm assuming that it has to go together. I don't even know what it looks like yet. So let's go and get it out of the box and try it out. So there's a protective film on it that you got to remove. And it also comes with some little feet that you can put on the bottom to kind of keep it in place. So we're going to remove this film and put the feet on. Okay, so we got our film off. We got our feet on. Yeah, putting the feet on there is so much better. They don't slide around at all now. That's kind of like sticky feet. So it's going to keep them in place. It doesn't have adhesive on it. It's just made out of the material that makes them like, you know, it's not going to slide. So this is how it's going to go on here. We're going to fold the hat just like this. It's going to go like that. Keep the hat nice and straight. And I'm going to go every other one just because I don't have that many hats here. So I don't have to use every space up. I don't have to worry about them touching. So that's how it works. I mean, obviously you can use up every space if you wanted to. I didn't have that many hats here, so I didn't need to. But go ahead and throw this in your closet. Throw it somewhere where you have some space that's kind of out of the way. But, you know, regularly, if you were to throw all these hats in the closet, they'd get smushed and flattened in a way that you wouldn't want them to. So go ahead and put these in there. Keep them up straight. Keep them nice. It's a pretty nice hat rack. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.